Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we have taken an example and we have prepared profit and loss account for Pune Bakery. Now we will be using annual report and we will see that how listed companies or how Indian private companies, they prepare their profit and loss account. And we will see how they record the transactions, what notes to accounts they will prepare. Each and everything we will be discussing right now in detail. So here you can see the profit and loss account of Britannia company. You might be thinking that why always I'm using annual report of Britannia company, or sorry, Dabur company. Just because Dabur company's financial I think it is perfect. It includes every information. So that is the reason every time I use annual report, or you can say profit and loss account of Dabur company. Now, if you see here, I have taken standalone statement of profit and loss account of Dabur Limited, and we have already seen that how to prepare profit and loss account as per Schedule 3. We have seen the format also. Now, if you see top, definitely we recognize revenue from operation, right? If you see the value is 7,184 crore, and previous year their sales was around 6,309 crore. After that, what they have done, they have recognized other income here, right? And their other income total value is 276 crore, and here amount is almost same. Now I will show you the detail of these incomes, right? So just give me a second. Yeah, here company has prepared notes to account their revenue from operation. I have already told you that what is notes to accounts, right? So what companies do, prepare profit and loss account, they prepare balance sheet, they prepare cash flow statement, and also they prepare a statement of changes in equity. Along with these four statements, companies prepare notes to accounts. In notes to accounts, company provide detailed description of any transaction which recorded in P&L account, balance sheet, or cash flow statement, or in statement of changes in equity. So if you want to see that from where company is generating revenue, so here you will get the detailed information. So we have seen that the total sales revenue of company is 7,184, right? Now, if you see here, so their operating revenue, that is sale of product, is of rupees 7,138 crore. Right? They are earning from their sales of product, that is 7,138 crore. Also, they are earning other operating revenues, that is budget support subsidy, right? So they are receiving subsidy. So here some note is given, present the amount of budgetary support to be provided by government India for existing eligible manufacturing units operating under different industrial promotion tax exemption scheme, right? So what government do for some businesses, what government provides some subsidies, right? You might be knowing, right? So let's suppose if I take example of some backward states, right? Backward states, we can say Bihar, Telangana, etc., right? If you start your business in these states, so what government do, government provides you support. Why government provides you support? Just because government wants to develop these states, right? So that is the reason government provides you subsidy. So here what government is doing, government is providing matching subsidy to Britannia Limited, and they are receiving 30 crore rupees from government. So it will be treated as an income for Dabur Limited. After that, if you see, they are receiving export subsidy, right? So basically, what Indian government do now, they give more emphasis to the export instead of import. Why they give more emphasis to the export? Just because if Dabur Limited, they are seeing their product outside India, so definitely there will be cash inflow, right? There will be cash inflows from foreign countries, which will grow the country, right? Indian country. So that is the reason if you are exporting more and more, so what government do, government provides you export subsidy, but you won't be getting any benefit in case of import. So if you are exporting more in product, so you will be receiving some consideration from government for the, right? So here whatever remuneration or whatever compensation you are receiving from government on behalf of some manufacturing subsidy or on behalf of export, so that will be shown in menu, right? After that, you can see scrap sale, right? So let's suppose Dabur has manufactured some product and that product is not as per the standard, right? So what Dabur will do, Dabur will those product at underrated price, right? So that is going to be scrap sale, right? So here, if you see, Dabur has performed scrap sale of 10.5 crore rupees, and they have earned some other kind of revenue, right? They have earned some other kind of revenue. So their total Other operating revenue, how much? 45.88 crore. And here, sales of product revenue is 7,138 crore. So this is how they have calculated their revenue. Same they have done for previous year, right? And we have seen other income. Now I will show you the note of other income. Here, if you want to see that how they have generated this 7,138 crore revenue. So here, further bifurcation is given, right? From consumer care business, they are generating 6,156 crore. From food business, they are generating 888 crores. And from other businesses, they are earning 94 crore, right? So if you want to see the further detail revenue, which we have seen in previous ledger, so here further description is given of sale of product, right? And here you can see total revenue covered under Ind AS 115. I have told that for every transaction, company has to follow accounting standards, right? So we will be discussing about these accounting standards in the coming lecture. Then after, if you see, we will be talking about other income. If you see here, other income is given, right? So I have already told you that in other income, we will be covering interest income. If company has purchased some debenture bonds, so they will be receiving interest, or company has given some loan to other countries, they will be receiving interest. If company has invested in equity shares, they will be receiving dividend, right? Let's suppose if company has purchased or invested in equity shares and they are selling those equity shares at heavy prices or at more prices, so they will be earning some capital gain also, right? They will be earning some capital gain also. Or if company is having some financial assets and company, they are selling those financial assets, or company are selling their fixed asset and they are generating some profit from selling of fixed assets, right? So these profit, interest, dividend will be shown in other income column, right? So here you can see interest income company is earning from investment in debt instrument or other financial assets, right? They are earning interest income. Now you might be thinking, what is FVTOCI? Right now you don't have to read these lines, right? We will be discussing in detailing time. Then company is earning some other gains also. Company is earning dividend income also. So other gain, that is sale of financial assets. So company is generating profit from sale of financial asset. Financial asset means if you're investing your money in shares, debentures, bond, preference shares, this is what a financial asset, right? Sale financial asset, other kind of financial assets. So company is earning profit from financial asset, sale of property, plant and equipment, or foreign currency translation, right? If company has invested outside India and they are earning some foreign currency benefit, so that is to be shown in P&L account in other column, other income column, right? Now, if you see other non-operating income is given, that is rental income. They are also earning some rental income, and there are some miscellaneous income, right? So this is how we will be presenting revenue and other income in P&L account. So what I've done, I have shown you that how company recognizes these incomes in profit and loss account, and what company do, prepares additional statement where company provides additional or detailed information about these two line items. So hopefully this concept is clear to you all, right? In next session, we'll be discussing about expenses. Okay, thank you.